Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products, and be sure to stay till the end where I'm going to reveal the secret formula to affiliate success. All right. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. So go ahead, subscribe, ring the bell for notification of future videos. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today's focus is on promoting products over on Clickbank. All right. So let's just do this real quick. Let's jump over to Clickbank and see what they say about succeeding as an affiliate. Now, right here on Clickbank Knowledge Base, you're actually going to see steps 1 through 4 as they've laid them out for you. Choose your niche, build your platform, grow your audience, and promote products. It's just that simple, right? All right. So step 1, choose your niche. Let's hop over to Clickbank Marketplace and take a look at choosing a niche. So you're going to go down and you're going to scroll through all their categories here. And these are effectively what you would call niches. And these are where you're going to choose your products that you're going to promote. So you have arts and entertainment, all the way down to fiction, games, green products, down to travel. All right. So again, that's step number 1. All right. Step number 2, they said, was build your platform and then grow your audience and then move on to promoting your products. So after we've chosen our niche from the marketplace, let's take a look at an example of a funnel, right? Of a funnel that is actually on Clickbank. Actually, I don't think this is on there anymore, but it was one of their top selling offers in the internet marketing space. It was a CB passive income. But anyway, so we've chosen our niche. Now we have to build out our offers and get ready to promote them. And we're going to do that by building our platform and get ready to promote those offers by driving traffic. So when they talk about building out your platform is going to be your opt-in page, your thank you page, your email autoresponder where you collect leads, and it's also going to be the place where you put your affiliate link and your thank you page and your email as your email follow-up. Okay? So to do that, to build opt-in pages and thank you pages, you need some type of web hosting, or either web hosting or a page builder like a ClickFunnels or some such thing like that, or web hosting with WordPress. All right. As far as email goes, email autoresponders such as GetResponse or Aweber, those are the most popular ones. And of course, then that's how you're going to build out your base, and that's how you're going to be able to drive traffic to your base to promote these offers. And traffic sources that you're going to be able to use, examples are YouTube and Facebook, as you can see here inside of this example funnel. All right, so let's go back and talk about, we chose our niche, we built our platform, now we need to grow our audience to promote products. So that's the key right there. Building a YouTube following, building a Facebook following, following up with Messenger and or email, right? That's how you're going to go about growing your audience, building that trust so people can understand that you have a solution to their problem, and that solution to that problem is this product that you're promoting on the opt-in page that leads them to a thank you page, it leads them to an affiliate link, which leads them to the sales video and the order page of the Clickbank product. That's pretty much it in a nutshell, step by step by step. Now, one thing that I do want to show you here, as far as when you follow up on your affiliate link, one thing that a lot of people don't think of, but Clickbank again has given you the information as far as using tracking IDs. So on your affiliate link right here, you can see that you have the ability to add a tracking ID. So you go ahead and you can see your affiliate link here, affiliate.vendor.hop.clickbank.net, and then they have a little question mark with a TID or a TID tracking ID. This is where you're going to put your tracking ID. So in this case, for example, you would say my tracking ID, if we were to hop back to our funnel, my tracking ID, this traffic came from YouTube. This traffic came from Facebook. This traffic came from my Messenger bot. This traffic came from my email source, and it's my affiliate link, and that's what led them to the sales page. So step by step by step, as you're promoting your product, you can use that tracking ID to make sure that you understand where your traffic is coming from, so you can be a successful affiliate marketer. All right. So we covered that real quick. So let me show you a blog post over at 30minutemarketing.net. Of course, I'll put the link in the description here so you can hop over and read this. And this blog post is going to cover many things about how to make money on Clickbank. But one thing is what to look for before promoting a Clickbank product. All right. So there's 10 questions here that are very relevant and great information that you need to know. The first one being, what is the commission rate? Now, this is not so much an issue for the product that you're promoting, but it's just, is this product worth your time? 50%, 75%, these are normal commission rates. Anything less than that, unless it's a super high ticket item, meaning the value, the sales value, it's $1,000, $2,000, you need to make sure that the time and effort you're putting in to building an audience and promoting the product, that this commission rate is worth your time. Are there rebills? That means, is there recurring billing? Meaning, are people going to get into a membership and are you going to be making money recurring every month? Is the product legit? Now, this should stand on its own, but the simple fact is, it's your name. You're the one building the audience. You're the one putting your name out there as the affiliate. You're driving people to this solution, to this product, so you want it to be legit. So make sure that you do your research to include buying it and trying it. All right? How attractive is a sales page? Let's go back to that funnel real quick. When you drive traffic, right, you're either going to be paying for this traffic or this is going to be traffic that you do by building an audience on one of these platforms by spending your time, such as the time that I'm doing right now to make this video for you. So time goes into this. So your time is valuable. So make sure that you're spending your time driving this traffic, or your money if you're doing paid traffic. When they come through your opt-in page, your thank you page, make sure this sales page, in this case, this is a long form VSL or a video sales letter. Make sure that this sales page is good. Make sure that it's worth your time, right? Does that sales copy reel you in? Is it going to reel in your audience? Does it resonate? Is the message solid? If you spend your time promoting this product and they get to the sales page, are they going to buy it? Is it going to convert? All right? Are there leaks on a sales page? Now, you may not understand what this means, and this concept is, are there just two options on the sales page, either to buy or leave? Remember, go back to the funnel real quick. You collected this address right here for the follow-up. So on this sales page, if they're collecting that lead as well, if that's one of their options, if there's 3 options on the sales page, buy, leave, or they say they have a pop-up or a place to put information to collect lead, you need to think about that strategy, because at that point, you're driving traffic to their sales page. Even if they don't buy, they're going to get that lead. Now, there is a caveat to this, and there is one way this will work, is if once they're cookied to you, meaning if they follow up with a raw sales link and not their own affiliate link, then that will be okay. Then that technically would not be a leak. That would just be them automatically following up. But again, you want to make sure that you're doing your own follow-up with your tracking ID so you know where those sales come from. All right. And number 7, does the product fit your niche? So in this case, when you're back over at the Clickbank marketplace and you're going through here, you're going to be tempted, just like we talked about in number 1, what's the commission? You're going to be tempted to look at some of these and say, wow, this is converting really well. I heard great things about this. People are making a lot of money about it. I saw it in the Facebook groups about marketing. I saw it on the forums, right? People are they're just killing it with this product. I'm going to promote this product, okay? But does the product fit your niche? If the product doesn't fit your niche exactly, if you've niched down and you said, this is the product that solves the pain point, that solves the problem for my audience, then don't try to widen that out by putting a product into offering a product and putting that into your follow-up that doesn't really fit your niche, all right? Compete or walk the less traveled path, okay? Here we're talking about competition, okay? So again, if a product out there is doing really great, has a high gravity, and if you don't know what that is, you can check that blog post, or this blog post explains gravity, explains all the details about that. But if it's super crowded and a lot of people are selling this already, check the marketplace, find a product that solves the problem just as well as this one, but it has a great sales page and it has all those things above all these other options, and go for that, right? Because people are going to be numb to the fact that everyone's promoting product X, right? Product X is being promoted by everyone out there. The competition is fierce, so try to just wedge out your little niche, your product inside your niche, and see if you can find something with a little lower competition. All right? How will you be promoting it, okay? So here's the thing. The perfect example here is if you're using Pinterest traffic for generation, okay? Pinterest traffic is a very small subset of niche for traffic. Pinterest doesn't work for all types of traffic. And then again, we'll go back to our funnel. YouTube and Facebook primarily work for just about every niche. There are some embarrassing niches that Facebook doesn't work for because you're trying to go for that viral aspect of where people are sharing it. So for example, if you're trying to promote an acne product or some type of embarrassing, information that they don't want to share, then Facebook may not be the place to do that, but YouTube could be. Okay, so in that example, make sure that your niche and your traffic source and how you be promoting it match up. All right, and then number 10, are there affiliate tools? Okay, so check out the vendor and see what they provide you, and if a good vendor is going to provide you lots and lots of tools, email swipes, banners, targeting ID, demographics, psychographics, all this information. They'll provide all this great information for you, and you can use that research to your benefit. All right? Remember, now all 10 of these steps are time well spent. All right? And I got a quote here from Abraham Lincoln. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. So that means make sure your axe is sharp. Make sure that all your marketing is in place and ready to go, and then you just need to swing that axe one time to knock down a tree, and you'll make sure that you're getting that message out there. The message is targeted, it's efficient, and it's on point when you get it out to your prospects, and you're doing your best to promote that product to help your audience solve that problem. All right, so let's hop back over to Clickbank and how they said succeeding as an affiliate works. Step 1, choose your niche, which we looked at on the Clickbank marketplace. Build your platform. We talked about that in the funnel, how you're going to have your own web hosting or a page builder, and you're going to have an email autoresponder, which is recommended for follow-up. You could, of course, do this with retargeting on Facebook and even messenger bots and that kind of thing, even Google Tag Manager and Facebook, YouTube ads, but that's very advanced, right? Whereas if you collect email addresses, you own those. They're in your autoresponder account, and you can save those, and you can follow up as many times as you want without a whole lot of restrictions like you'll find on other platforms where you're reliant on their rules, and you have to make sure that you stay within that narrow framework that they give you. All right, so there we go. Choose your niche, build your platform, grow your audience, promote your products. 4 simple steps. It's that simple. Now, I did promise you that I would show you the formula for success as affiliate, and it's what I call the TTTV formula. And the first T stands for trust, right? You got to build trust with your audience, okay? And that comes when you're on those platforms, your Facebook, your YouTube, and your email. You're building that trust, just like right here I'm talking into the camera. If we're in a Facebook group, we're going one-on-one, and an email, you've invited me into your inbox, so you're getting my email address, you're getting my emails, and I'm telling you my story. I'm telling you how this product is going to help you by giving you examples about the way I tested it, all that kind of good stuff, right? Traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood, right, of any kind of marketing, any kind of promotion that you're doing. You got to make sure that your traffic is on point, your traffic is targeted, that you're using the correct traffic source. We use the Pinterest example. We use the embarrassing niche example on Facebook. And then, of course, YouTube, where I'm here talking to you and I can really target that traffic. All right. And then after traffic, you built that trust. You're driving the traffic. You want to make sure we're doing what with that? That we're going to make sure that we're tracking where our traffic is coming from to our offers. So when they make that sale, we know exactly where it come from, and we talked about the TID, the tracking ID, and there you go. You have the 3 T's, and let me zoom out right here because I'm going to show you the last value here inside of the secret success formula. So you have TTT, trust, traffic, and tracking, and then you have the magic thing that brings it all together and wraps it all up, and that is value. The value that you are providing as a marketer, as the leader of the group inside of your niche. You're solving a problem for people that have a problem. They need a solution desperately. You're bringing that value by providing them the information they need to know about that product so they can go and purchase it and solve their problem. So there's a secret value, or the secret formula, TTTV, trust, traffic, tracking, and value. Of course, that formula is on the blog. You can read more about it. Again, that's all I got for you today. So go ahead, hit the subscribe timer here, 30minutemarketing.net timer that you're going to see. There'll be a video here that will follow up and give you some more great information just like this video did. So give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Go ahead and leave a comment. Which one do you think is the most important inside of this formula? Trust, traffic, tracking, or overall just bringing value of all three of those together? All right. Thank you for your time. I'll talk to you later. Bye.